Hey guys, welcome to weekend vlog number 1. I do apologize for the bad lighting. I will probably figure more of this out as I go. I'm in a good mood because it's not completely dark out and I just got home from work. So it's Friday night. Figured I'd just kind of like go through what we're going to do this weekend. So my parents are actually away. They're in Jamaica. It's really cold today, so I'm really jealous. But so Megan, who went to Disney World with us, is staying here to help kind of take care of my sister. So things are a little bit different this weekend just because like Ethan and I have to do the grocery shopping and everything. So I think Ethan's working on ordering a pizza right now. Tonight I am going to bake a cake for Ethan. It was his birthday 1 week ago, and it just kind of didn't work out to do it last weekend. So I will make him a cake this weekend, and I will show you guys like bits and pieces of it. What else? We have to go grocery shopping. We have dentist appointments tomorrow morning, which I'm like, I really hate the dentist, so not looking forward to that. And then tomorrow I'm gonna like assemble a cake and ice it and everything. That's all I can think of right now. So I'm probably gonna go figure out what's going on with dinner, and I will catch up with you guys in a bit. But I'm really excited to be vlogging. Do you like, this is a sneak peek of something that's going to be, you'll probably see more of. Ethan actually just made this headboard. He finished it last weekend, so it's new. But yeah, I'm in my room right now. I can show you guys. I don't know if I can switch the camera. I don't think I can. But it's not completely dark out, and I'm very happy about it. And so I think that's everything. So the cakes are in the oven. Wow, that needs to be clean. And I'll show you. So this is what I'm making. It's from this cookbook. And we've had our pizza. And then I'm trying this. Oh, that's French, sorry. Elderflower lime. I'm not quite sure about it. Mandy! Mandy! Are you a good girl? Say hi. Are you a good girl? Oh, you're a good girl. Ready? Bang! Good girl! We are going to watch Beauty and the Beast tonight. I'm filming on my phone this weekend. And there's Alex. Say hi, Alex. Oh, she's looking up. She wanted to show her computer and how she communicates. So she's typing hi. She just said hi. So she uses her HUD switch here, and it's connected and it scans. So she scans. Hi. It scans set by set, and then when she clicks by moving her head, it scans row by row, and then it'll scan one by one, and she'll select one. So there she just said close, and then it'll hover over speak when she wants to say, it'll go all the way through it, and then she can say hello. So there she's showing you how. So she has different pages. I know what you're trying to say. Get out of the way. Am I throwing you off?
Hi, everybody.
There you go. Can you say hi? Hello. So this is Alex's Dynavox. And then there's her tray with Stephen Amell, who she loves. Right? Yeah. And she has the Flash. This is where we had the GoPro when we were in Disney World, and she loves Teen Wolf. And she loves Supergirl and more ADisneyObsession era. But now we're gonna watch Beauty and the Beast. It's a little bit later now, and we've finished watching Beauty and the Beast. Now, it's still fairly early, but we're all very tired. I'm excited for the new Beauty and the Beast. I'm hopeful. Try not to get too excited about it, but I think we're going to see it in 2 weeks, so I will share that. But after we were watching the special feature on the 25th anniversary Blu-ray, that's like the sit down with Alan Menken and a bunch of other people, and you just like don't really think about how, like, if there's one person that kind of created all of the music that I grew up with, like, that's him. And that's kind of crazy to think about, and I like, not everybody's gonna feel that way because not everybody grew up a Disney kid, but it's just kind of crazy that it can be like pinpointed to one person. So we watched part of that, and we'll probably finish it in the morning. I've already watched it and I enjoyed it, but yeah, I'm a Disney kid through and through. But I'm gonna probably read a little bit and head to bed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. We are up and going this morning. See, the light's better now because I'm standing in front of the window. We have to leave in about half an hour for our dentist's appointment. Ethan, it's the first time he's going to this dentist, so his appointment is 2 hours, and then mine is only 1 hour, so I get to read for an hour. I'm reading In the Unlikely Event by Judy Blume, and it's like, I don't know, it's a little depressing, but I'm almost halfway through, so I don't know. That drink last night I did not like. I couldn't drink a lot of it. It like tastes like flowers, and it was yellow. I don't know, it was weird, so not recommending that, I guess. It was in the variety pack of Summersby, and I just like picked it up because I bought it before, and they changed, I think, the lemon one for that, and so I don't know, but so we'll be at the dentist until like 12, and then come home, and then I will work on the cake. I don't know what we're having for dinner tonight. I planned to have chili, but we might have like a stir fry or something. Kind of craving that. And we're just hanging out tonight. Ethan's in the shower back there. But I will catch up with you guys in a bit. So we are all done at the dentist. Say hi, Ethan.
Hi.
And now we're going home. We both have clean teeth. Great. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. But now I'm gonna start working on making all the fillings and icings and stuff for the cake, and then I'll put it together.
To undo all the dentist work.
Yeah, just to like offset the dentist with cake. It's a banana cake. That fruit? Eh?
No.
No. Whatever. I'm excited for cake tonight. So this is the last step. This is the glaze that's gonna go on top. So I'm just melting this. And then that's it. So I haven't really paid attention to how long it's taken me, just because I have all day. But this cake is 4 different recipes, like to assemble it. So I don't know, the cake, I had some scraps. You could probably see me throwing them into the pan, and they're really good. It tastes like a banana bread. So you can see this is melting. I probably won't be able to do this for the whole time, but I thought I would just kind of give you guys a little piece of the actual putting it together instead of just seeing it like sped up. But yeah, I'm excited to eat it. Glaze now that it's done. So I'm just gonna wait for it to cool a touch, and I've brought the cake back out of the fridge, and then I will pour it on there, and then I'll just wait for that to set a little bit and garnish it with some chocolate chips. And I have a tiny bit of icing left. Here's the chocolate buttercream. So I have about that much left. So I might try and pipe happy birthday Ethan, even though it's not his birthday, but we will see. It's like banana bread, but better. Alex, have you had any yet?
Nope, her
No.
mouth is clean.
Ethan, what do you think?
Pretty good.
Yeah? It's like chocolate and banana. Pretty good. There's a look at the slice. Like chocolate banana bread with chocolate chips.
Gross.
Oh, you like it, Alex?
She approves.
Mm-hmm. We're watching The Devil Wears Prada, and we watched The Other Woman earlier. What else did we watch? We watched the rest of that with special features from Beauty and the Beast. Is that it? Yeah. It's been a lazy day, but I'm fine with that. After watching HGTV for a couple hours, I'm headed to bed. Mandy too. Sometimes I feel like when you are laying around the house relaxing, it makes you feel more tired. I feel like I have a hair here. Yeah, I can't find it. But I don't really have any plans for tomorrow, just grocery shopping and then kind of just staying around the house. But I will see you guys in the morning. It's 25 after 8 and we are up and going to go to the grocery store. I just like threw my hair up I really don't care. I'm not awake yet, so I probably won't film anything in the grocery store, and I will I'm not gonna do a grocery haul or anything, but I'll show you guys a bit of what we got when we get home. Where's the meat? We got potatoes too. And there's Mandy. Now we're gonna put hair's a little crazy today, but I am working on laundry. Sundays are like my day to get stuff done. So I have started the laundry. I have one more load, and then I'm gonna hang this up. I just did everything in my planner. I'm going to work on this week's blog post to edit the video for that, and then throw stuff in. What else? I need to get a shower. I kind of want to have a bath because my back is bugging me a little bit. I've like the last, I don't even know how long, couple weeks maybe, my like lower back, it feels like it needs to crack, and I can't figure out how to crack it. But sometimes like when I sit up it'll crack, but only sometimes. And like if I'm lying down, like yesterday when I was at the dentist, when I sat up one time it cracked. And so I think having a hot bath might help with that. Megan is out. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Because we have a worker that comes on Sundays for my sister, so Megan has a couple hours off, so I haven't been filming a lot just because I've been upstairs with Alex. We're watching the movie Prime. My hair is crazy, but I don't really care. With Meryl Streep and Uma Thurman and Brian Greenberg, who is on One Tree Hill, and that's why we like that movie. So we're just watching that. We were watching Say Yes to the Dress, but we're kind of just relaxing upstairs. I'm doing as much stuff upstairs as I can. And now I'm gonna go hang this up, and that's probably it for now. I really need to get a shower and just get rid of that crazy hair, but I am at my computer editing monthly favorites, which is going up on Wednesday, so it will already have been up by the time you guys are watching this. So did you check it out? I did a lot of the like links and stuff while I was upstairs from my laptop, and then all the video footage is on this computer down here, so I had to come down here to work on that. Alex and I have been watching Teen Mom 2, catching up on that. But I don't really know, because this is the first one, I figured, I don't think I'm gonna do that much more. I might show another clip, after this, but I don't really, I'm open to feedback, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. I don't know what you guys are interested in seeing. If you want to see more of, just little clips of, well, this is what I'm doing now, and this is what I'm doing now. I feel like a lot of it has been just me talking like this, and I don't know if that's something that interests you, or if you want to see more of, what I'm seeing, when I was making one of the glaze for the cake, but, and I don't know how long the vlogs are gonna be. It's probably gonna differ every month. I don't know what kind of, how long you guys would be interested in watching, because, daily vlogs that I watch, they could be anywhere from, 10 minutes to 20 minutes, and so I don't know what you guys are interested in, so don't be afraid to let me know what you guys think. But I'm just gonna work on this for a little bit. Probably won't take me very long, and then just adding pictures and stuff to the video. Sundays I normally will do something for the blog, but yeah, that's about all I have planned, and then I'm probably gonna get a shower, and then I'll probably soak in the bath because my back still hasn't cracked, so that it's bugging me, and because I don't know how to crack it, it just feels like there's a lot of pressure, so I don't really know what's going on with that, but my hair is crazy. But I hope you guys are enjoying this. I am looking forward to sharing more of my weekends with you guys. So I guess that's what I'm gonna work on for now, and then I will probably check in a little bit. I just finished my bath. My hair is a little wonky because it was wet when I put it up. But I'm feeling more relaxed. I still never got my back to crack, but maybe it just didn't need to. But I think I'm going to close out the vlog here. I'm probably just gonna read and just relax before going to bed. It's like 8:45, but I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed spending this time with me, and I will see you Wednesdays for regularly scheduled blog posts and videos when they coordinate, and I will see you next Friday for weekend vlog number 2. But I hope you guys have a good week, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, when I wave, I bounce the camera, so bye.